knit stitch. Make a slip knot first, then cast on some stitches. We're going to cast on 5. When you're casting on, don't pull the yarn too tight. You want to make sure there's some space there so you can knit comfortably. Flip it. Make sure your tail end is on the left side and your working yarn is on the right side. We are going to insert the needle from left to right, in, again, from left to right, in. Take working yarn and wrap it around the needle toward you. Make sure you do it in the right direction. Pull it through the loop all the way like this and take it off the needle. Again, make sure you go from left to right, in, yarn over, pull it through that loop and take it off. So you can see it's a 4-step process, and it's good to repeat these steps in your head until you get used to them. From left to right, in step 1, yarn over step 2, pull it through the loop step 3, pull it all the way like that and take it off the needle step 4. This is the wrong direction. Do not do that. From left to right, in, yarn over, pull it through the loop and take it off the needle. Again, repeat. In, yarn over, pull it through the loop and take it off the needle. We've just knitted our first row. At this point, we highly recommend counting the stitches. We started with 5. You want to make sure you're still at 5. So 5 loops on the needle. You flip the needle. We're going to start knitting our next row. And count again. We're still at 5. So insert the needle from left to right. Do not use the short end. Always work with so if you make sure you use the long end, wrap it around the needle, pull it through and take it off. Again, in. So do not go under. That's the different stitch. You see that loop on the needle? Make sure you go right that way, like right underneath it. Pull it through and take it off. From left side of the stitch toward the right. In, yarn over, pull it through and take it off. From left to right. In, this is wrong, that is wrong, this is wrong, that is wrong also. This is the only place to insert the needle. Yarn over, pull it through the loop and take it off. From left to right, in, yarn over, pull it through the loop and take it off the needle. Count the stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip it over. So if accidentally your yarn goes this way, and if you count, you're now at 6 stitches. So you know you made a mistake somewhere because you had 5 and now you have 6. So in this case, it's easy to see where the mistake is. So you just rearrange. Make sure you're at 5. Make sure everything looks nice and even. All stitches look the same. And we keep knitting. This is wrong. That is wrong. Insert from left to right. Keep the needles perpendicular to each other. Yarn over. That's wrong direction. No. In. Wrap the yarn around towards you. Pull it through the loop and take it off the needle. In. Yarn over. Pull it through and take it off. In. So this is not really good either. Don't try to knit with just your tips. You insert the needle all the way in, yarn over. When you take it off the needle, again, don't be tempted by doing it with the tip. You have to make sure that you insert the needle all the way in. The problem with knitting using your tips is that the diameter of the needle is smaller, and that will make your stitches really tight. And you want to have your tension as even as possible. Count the stitches. Count the stitches again. Make sure everything looks nice and even, and you're ready to go.